and learn pronunciation. Read the poem below and underline the words with OW sound. The name of the given poem is The Farmer's Sorrow. A farmer once wanted to grow wheat in his meadow, so the seeds he did sow. But to his sorrow, that year there was an early snow, and the farmer, poor fellow, knew that his seeds would not grow. He wept into his pillow and cried, I should have left my meadow fallow. Must underline the words having OW sound and learn its correct pronunciation by listening it twice or thrice as many times as you need.